It's time for your daily education. Have you ever wondered how this kind of videos are made? It seems to be a lot of work. Creating scenes, recording speech, adjusting and cutting the video, searching and adding sounds. But I must disappoint you. It's much easier than you think. There are several tools out there which you can use to create videos in less than 5 minutes. One of these tools I want to show you today. By the way, this video was also created with this tool. It's called Pictory. You can find a link in my bio and in the video description. You can choose between different themes, visual, music and text-to-speech voices. Make your own branding so that you have your own watermark in your videos. Professional video editing in few minutes. Click on the link and try it out. Follow for more education.